Russia issued a stark warning on Monday, threatening potential strikes on British military installations and announcing plans for drills simulating the deployment of battlefield nuclear weapons. These actions come amidst escalating tensions sparked by remarks from senior Western officials hinting at increased involvement in the conflict in Ukraine. Following the summoning of the British ambassador to the foreign ministry, Moscow cautioned that any Ukrainian attacks on Russian territory using British-supplied armaments could trigger retaliatory strikes on British military assets in Ukraine or elsewhere. This statement was made just before Russian President Vladimir Putin's fifth-term inauguration and during the lead-up to Victory Day, a significant holiday commemorating Russia's victory over Nazi Germany in World War II. The decision to conduct drills involving tactical nuclear weapons was framed as a response to what Russia perceives as provocative statements and threats from certain Western officials, according to the Defense Ministry's statement. While Russia frequently conducts exercises involving its strategic nuclear forces, this marks the first public announcement of drills specifically focusing on tactical nuclear weaponry. Tactical nuclear weapons, which encompass air bombs, short-range missile warheads, and artillery munitions, are designed for battlefield use and are less powerful than strategic weapons intended for city-scale destruction. The United Nations expressed concern over the growing discourse surrounding nuclear weapons, with spokesman Stefan Dujarric highlighting the heightened risk of miscalculation and escalation. Dujarric emphasized the urgent need to avoid actions that could lead to catastrophic consequences.